It's the Joshi brothers here playing some duels. I'm only gonna play a few because it's Tuesday night, 9 o'clock. Alright. Wow, I got it easy. I just hate when I get more hits, right? But they win. Whoa. Why is my region gone already? I don't understand. Get out. Get out. What? It didn't eat. Well, I had to eat so many apples. He didn't even have to eat one. Or maybe even two. No, it's restarting. I don't defensive. No. Ah, one. Gotta combo him right here, otherwise he's gonna win. Yep, there's it. There's the combo. No, he's comboing me. You didn't eat. No, he's gonna get to eat it. Oh, the last shot. Wow, he must be salty after that shot. What a way to start the video with that epic shot at the end. So okay, that won me the game. So there's a lot of like MVP plus. Whoa. You know, good game. Wow, like right when I said that, he comboed me like in a 6-hit combo and I couldn't even get out of it. Oh yeah, that guy that I shot for the win. Alright. Hit this guy again. You must be mad. What? You got really mad, like actually. Okay, bye-bye. Whew, 2 losses, wow. I'm actually not, I'm gonna stop this wall, this one, I'm gonna go to Mega Walls right now, Mega Walls Duels. So, 1v1. If no one, like, yeah, I don't understand, no one plays this anymore. Like, it used to be packed, like, 4v4s would join so quick. No, I don't want that. Unless someone joined. Okay, yeah. So, okay, this is taking forever till I get into. Okay, get into team duel. 2v2. Okay, guys, I'll get back to you right when I get into an actual game. So, that really took longer than I expected. But that's okay. Okay. No. Oh my gosh. I did not want to play Mole Man. Okay, this guy's gonna be a problem. Take him on. Take him out. Don't let him kill our teammates. You drop shocking, rip. You just got blazed by, and now you're dead. Except you're doing really good. Not even gonna let this guy's coming. Oh, you know. I don't know why this team's actually not bad. I usually don't. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now you're gonna die. Use your light cancer, Pete. You're dead. Oh. Okay, there. No. Oh, he's on 3. Oh, wow, I even know. I think we're rolling in the win here. You're not gonna win. You're not gonna. 1 hit, 2 hits, and he's on 2. Stop. No, I just hit myself with slowness. Winner. We won. Yeah, that was good. And I'll get back to you guys again when the thing starts. You guys, didn't take too long this time. We got in a 4v4. See, it's got Hot Dog Man. So yeah. Alright, let's see. Mr. Blup and Fat Boy. No, sign me. Getting my ability here. No, teammate, you're behind you. You're getting flanked. He's on 16 already. Get off my teammate. Who do you think you are? I'm here. Can I drink your potion? It's not like it's gonna help you against me. And you're gone. Just gotta take on this zombie. It's not gonna be easy, I can tell. Please, did you get it? This guy's gonna be bang. Great G. What? Don't hack, please. Like, you make the game unfair. Yeah, people like this are like. Oh, yeah, he tried to like be annoying at the end. Okay, but he was cheating. So okay, we got straight into another game. Let's. I think I'm gonna have to play Andy. So yeah, playing Enderman. So yeah. Just gonna play this last. Oh god, salmon. Their dogs are just so irritating. Oh, my teammate is winning. Ooh, what a TP. What? I didn't drink the pod, that's why. And now we're gonna get 2v1. Okay, kill this guy before he gets any potion. He's gone. Yes. Thank you. Please make it. Please be a fair fight. Don't be that one guy. So. Please, no. No. Aha, I got my TP. Waiting for his thing to run out. Bomi, go ahead. Oh. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that was so close. I'm gonna end the video here. His dog literally saved him. Okay, guys. Bye.